Hi, my name is Logan and I'm a maintenance engineer at PACT Group. Maintenance engineer is a job where I have to either fix or repair stuff. They bring in machinery and it needs to be either replaced fully or I can completely repair it. I was doing metal work at my school and I just thought, since it was hands-on, I like the ability to just move stuff around and fix stuff with my hands. Well, not really too much thinking involved, but there still is a lot to do in it, so there is a lot of thinking to do. I usually start the day off just sorting out my tools, seeing what I've got, and I usually ask one of my co-workers, Lester. He helps me along with any sort of job and he offers that along with me. I usually do around 2 or 3 jobs a day. I go to the food packaging side of the facility and I have to keep all the pipes and stuff clean from all the bugs and stuff and contamination. Hydraulics and pneumatics are a pretty big thing that I've learned. They've been the main focus since I started. Hydraulics is the ability to have liquid inside of a cylinder and it pushes up against a plate which goes back and forth, which creates energy, and it goes through a bunch of different systems like mainly injection machining and printers and stuff. That's basically the main energy source apart from electricity. And pneumatic is same as hydraulics, but instead of liquid, it's compressed air, and it's used in the same kind of context as well. And I've also improved my welding, but I've also started to learn machining, which is a bit on and off sometimes. I like how I'm always busy on my feet, making sure there's a lot of jobs to do instead of just sitting around and doing nothing. I like just being busy and hands-on. Hydraulics and pneumatics are probably one of my favorites in the facility. I've gotten so used to them that it's pretty satisfying to do now. It's always good to have a good sociable team with you to help you through the process of the job. You just need to be onto it, thinking, always asking questions, and don't let anything else push you down. Maths is almost key in this kind of industry, like measuring something, tiny little millimeter, it could mess up the whole project, and having the correct measurement is just key to everything. The metalwork class, I didn't know too much, but I was interested. Woodwork as well. Yeah, woodwork was basically just the polar opposite of it, and it was similar in ways like the tools and stuff. Just don't be afraid of it. Just be uplifting, be yourself. Always have a smile on your face just to make sure people know that you're willing to work for it.